Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 1st of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Going to move on to Eurodollar now, and Eurodollar has pretty much stabilised, pretty flat after yet again we saw another downside break on Friday. And that came after another element of consolidation that we'd seen, and it's just a feature of this chart over the past few weeks, really, where you see a consolidation area and then it just sells off before another consolidation sells off, and then another one after that. So what we've seen is Friday's downside break. We're now moving towards this key September 2013 low of 31.03. And it looks like that's going to be tested certainly today, or possibly even tomorrow. But the big downside target of that head and shoulders top pattern is 31 big figure. That gives you another gauge to the downside. But it certainly looks like the selling pressure is growing once again on this Euro chart. You've had the PMI data out all day. Throughout the morning today, you've had misses on expectations from Italy, Spain, Spain and Germany, whereas France is slightly beaten, but it certainly looks like there's no real respite that's going to be got from the from the data today. And what we're seeing subsequently is a bit of consolidation, and there's no real element of buying pressure coming into this euro, and I don't really see that there's anything other than being able to use any sort of intraday jumps as a chance to sell. The initial resistance doesn't really come in until 31.60, and that was the old support throughout that band, and that now becomes the initial resistance. Now, what you do see through this chart over the past few days is that there has been intraday rallies of maybe 30-40 pips that you can use as a chance to sell, and it certainly looks like that if you get that, that would take you back towards that resistance around 31.60, and that would just simply be yet another chance to sell. I think in terms of real recoveries going on, you'd need to have certainly above this resistance at around 32.20. That remains now the key area that we need to use as your real signal that a recovery is in process. But certainly on this daily chart, there's no real sign of any recovery. All these momentum indicators remain very bearish, and the outlook for the euro, it just is generally under pressure. So further testing of that support of September 2013 low 31.03, and ultimately we're going to be seeing, I think, a retest of that or a move towards that downside target from the big top pattern at 30 big figure. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.